welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome and welcome. In today's video I have a special goodie, so if you want to find out what that goodie is, sit back, stay tuned, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so you can get more of me to you. Thanks, guys. Okay guys, so let's get right on into it. So it is a product that I found off of Instagram. So a quick backstory, because I know y'all attention span do not like this long talking, but I have to tell you how I found the company. So a quick backstory, I was on Instagram looking up hashtag relaxed hair, and this company comes across and I saw that they had a growth oil serum, or a hair growth oil. And I was like, let me, being a new YouTuber, reach out to them and see if I can give a review on their product, as well as just be honest with you guys and tell y'all what works with your hair, what really grows your hair, by experimenting on my own hair. So you can let me be the guinea pig, okay? So they totally agreed. They sent me a shipment of one of their products, which is what we're going to be reviewing for 30 days. Just like the Sulfur Aid and the Do Grow, y'all can check out the videos in this little card clip there. I will be doing weekly updates. So every Monday, even though today is Tuesday, I will be releasing a video on the update, so y'all can see week by week if this product is really doing what it says it's doing, or if it's a flop. So we're gonna give honest reviews here. Yes, I know people get sponsored and they leave fake reviews, but we're gonna be, the hair is the pudding, or the proof is in the hair pudding. Something. So if you want to start this journey with me, it is not too late. They have done us a favor by giving y'all a discount code of 15% off of your purchase if you decide between today and the end of our 30-day challenge to purchase this oil. So what is this and who is this? Let's get into that. So I did receive my package, but I waited for y'all to open it. So let's get into this. So the company name is Moreh Organics, or is more? I think it's Moreh. It has the little, yeah, we're just going to go with Moreh. And if I'm saying it wrong, please address me in the comment section below. And they sent a little cute note. So let's read. Thank you so much. We are so excited that you are now on your way to experiencing hair growth a new way. So I think that's their thing, a new way to experience hair growth. Hi, Samantha. We hope all is well. We look forward to seeing you and your results. Best regards. And if you can't see this, I will link their channel stuff, or I wouldn't say channel, but their social, all through here or in the description box below. So wherever y'all see it, if you see it down here or down there, then yeah, we're just gonna rock with that. And then here's just a little card. Oh, it's too light. There we go. I don't know if y'all saw the other stuff, but this is a how to use. So let's get in. How are we going to use this product? Shake very well prior to each use to mix any ingredients that may have settled at the bottom. So I hope we know this as hair gurus now, to shake very well before using, because you know the good stuff is at the bottom, and you don't want the, you putting a little something on your oil and then, on your scalp, and, it's there, but it's not there. Let's see. Our oil is very concentrated, so a little goes a long way. Okay, now, you like that. Apply enough oil directly to your scalp and gently massage it. Massage the oil. Y'all know I'm about them hair massages, and I gotta show y'all a trick one of these days. For beards, please apply the oil to the roots of your facial hair. After each application, please rub the oil into your beard to help work the oil in. Well, not by the hair, my chin, because I ain't got none yet. Anyway, we recommend using the oil every day for best results, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to use it every day, but we're not just like the last review of a product If we miss a day, it's not gonna kill us. You can just catch the next day, but don't miss 2 days. Missing one day is okay, but not two. Okay. If every day is not ideal, okay, we highly suggest applying the oil a minimum 4 to 5 days a week, every other day. That's just what I said, sis. That's just what I said. Okay, so let's get into what this product look like. It is nicely wrapped. Okay, nicely. Oh, let's see if we can. Oh, that's so cute. Y'all alright? Y'all gonna get a whooping trying to ruin mama video. It's my cats, y'all. So here is the oil. I think I've gotten better with this little hand job thing. Let's see, there we go. Oh. There we go. And right away I can definitely smell the growth. Okay. I can definitely smell the growth serum in it. And I'm here for it. Okay? I'm here for all that herbal stuff that they got going on, because the stuff that smell is gonna make your hair grow. So how does it really smell? Oh, shake well, remember. Ooh. Okay, let's smell it. So this is how y'all can see the color of it. It's like a little cloudy yellow. Cloudy with a meatball. Y'all, it smell like kind of honey-ish. It smell really good. Okay, come on, grapeseed oil. Let's read the ingredients, because this is telling us the truth. It has grapeseed oil, pumpkin seed oil, something that I can't pronounce. Ain't gonna try. Broccoli seed oil, rice bran oil. We're gonna stop there before I embarrass myself. Okay. So we're just gonna do what the thing says. It said apply it. Okay, so before I started this, I gave myself a new set of box sprays. I did them smaller this time, just to move, cat. I did them smaller this time just so I can utilize, you know, I don't know. I just did them smaller this time. Everything ain't gotta have a reason, y'all. Okay, y'all know this. So we're gonna do just like we did last time on our other reviews. We're gonna part our hair. And they said a little goes a long way, but I believe a lot goes a long way too. So I'm just gonna do a little thing like this. Y'all know, y'all know how to oil your scalp. Y'all know how to oil your scalp. We ain't even gonna do that today. So I'm gonna just oil my little scalp. And I'm gonna massage it thoroughly. And that's what we're gonna do all day. Honestly, if I must be honest, I don't like this applicator tip. I'd rather put it in one of those bottles where I can just squeeze it on my scalp. Because them things hurt. They hurt to me. So that's the only thing that I can see. However, they are classy. Now this is a classy glass bottle with a glass little droplet, something like that. And I get it. I get it. Be bougie, be cute. But for me, I just prefer the little plastic bottle with the dropper, some, and be done with it. So guys, we're coming to the wrap of my video. Like I said, if you want to get you a bottle so you can join this 30-day challenge with me, please click the link below and use my code Grow with Samantha. Yeah, we're just gonna use that code and y'all can get 15% off, so y'all can get your bottle quick, fast, and hurry. They shipped it out, I want to say, I don't know when, but I know it was supposed to get here Tuesday, which is today, but it got here yesterday, Monday. So it was very quick. I don't know if they shipped it out Saturday and I got it Monday. So whatever it is, as long as y'all click which shipment y'all want, and that's what I'm dealing with. So let me wrap this up because I'm out to get my cats. Okay. But you know, get your bottle quickly so y'all can hop in this week or join me next week, and we can all do this challenge together so we can talk about it, right? Because we love talking about things in the comment section. Yes. So If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell below so you can get more of me to you. Thanks, guys.